A great tandoori chicken doesn't have to be difficult. It will all starts with a simple marinade, but once that's done, this dish comes together in no time. I'm going to show you how to bring those bold smoky flavors using seasoning that you already have to your table. Fast and easy. Stay tuned. You can absolutely enjoy this dish on its own, but I have also created the perfect rice recipe to pair with the tandoori chicken for the ultimate, most satisfying meal experience. Let's dive into it. While the rice simmers about 4 to 5 minutes, we need about the same time to cook the seasoned chicken over medium heat. Once fully cooked, we'll combine everything into a delicious dish. I love using par-cooked basmati or jasmine rice for convenience. They are sodium-free and easy to customize with other ingredients. I'm going to leave the links in the description below for you to check them out. cook fast, and enjoy every bite. If you love this recipe, I invite you to check out my other quick and tasty videos, and be sure to subscribe and take a look at the description below for a quick recipe reference and links to some of my favorite kitchen products that I use on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.